Hey, what's up, guys? I just want to do a quick review for you on this sheet music stand, tell you some of the things that we like about it. First of all, I like the accessories that it comes with. So it does come with this clip-on light here. So you can use it either by USB plug or batteries. So usually it's my son that would use it. He doesn't typically need the light, so we haven't had the batteries in it. But I love also that it comes with this clip here up top. So that's helpful to hold the sheet music flatter up top so it's easier for him to see. And then I also love, if you can see, have this bag next to me. It's super portable and breaks down really easy. So that's really nice. And then one of what I would say the best things about it compared to some of the other ones is that it also comes with this stand so you can use it on a tabletop. So just this extra piece right here, you can easily set it on your table, that adjusts. So just loosen it and you can adjust how it lays. And there it is from the front. So it's nice. You can set it on your table and you could put a tablet or whatever on there too if you wanted to. And then to change it and put it on the actual telescope and pole, really easy. It just has this slot in here, so that breaks down. And then you just slide it back on the stand there. So really easy to switch between the stand or the tabletop stand and the telescope and stand. So those are the things we really like about it.